Let's learn about list operations. Once we have data inside of a list, we can do stuff with it. There are actually many operations you can do on a list, so we'll learn about a few of them here. Much like strings, you can use square brackets to access a specific element of the list. Notice that the syntax is the same, including the fact that we started counting from 0. Do not be confused by the square brackets here. When they are first, they are list creation. When they are second, they are list indexing. Much like strings, you can use a colon and square brackets to access a range of elements from a list. The rules are the same as for strings. The first number is the starting index, and the second element is the ending index. Much like strings, you can ask if a list has a specific value in it. The in operator has a list on the right, and any kind of value or variable on the left. There is also a not in operator. You cannot add elements to a list using the plus operator. Instead, you must call a method of the list called append. The word append means add to the end. Append lets you add one thing to the end of the list. You can also remove one thing from the end of the list using the pop method. You will not need to do this too often in this course, because removing things from lists can actually be a little tricky.